Morning, y'all. Or should I say, well, it's still morning. It's 11 o'clock. Monday, September 20th. It's raining. I don't know how long I can record. Here, I'm under a tree. It's blocking it right now. It's a rainy, nasty day. We are bank fishing today. I found this spot when I was out here fishing from the boat. I saw it from the boat. I thought, man, that'd be a good spot to bank fish. So I drove out here this morning and I found it, and it's a perfect spot for bank fishing. Oh yeah, baby, we got skipjack, and that's it. We got skipjack for bait. Let's get some rods out there before this thing gets wet. Get baited up. Skipjack. Stupid rain. Got a skipjack headpiece on this one. Skipjack body section on this one. We're fishing. I'm only going to use 2 rods today. Just thought I'd come out here and try it out. Of course, it starts raining right when I get here. And it's going to be difficult to land a fish. I forgot my dang net. And it's all nothing but rock down there. A little drop off. It ought to be fun if we catch something. Hopefully I don't fall in the water. Why are you out here on the bank when you got that awesome bass boat we could be using, Steve-O? Fishing from the bank is stupid, especially for catfish. Because I enjoy fishing from the bank, Stevie Billy. What's your problem, man? Why'd you come out here anyway? Well, I might as well just throw out that 3rd rod. I've got it here. The more the merrier. Looks like the rain's starting to slow down. I hope so. I hate rain. Skipjack body section on this one. I reckon I'm going to use this stump style of rod holder. Somebody's been here with skipjack. I see little piles of scales everywhere. It's a nice little spot. It's easy to hit that channel drop from here, right outside of a creek mouth. I left my dang bluegill rod up there in the truck, and my skipjack rod. Hopefully the rain stays away for at least a couple of hours. I'd like to stay here for a while. I might try to run up there and grab my rod, my bluegill rod. I'm gonna go up there. Y'all holler at me real loud if I get a bite. Man, I'm out of shape. Lordy. Got us a bluegill. Got another one. They're all up in them rocks. Fish on. How in the heck am I going to get him up here? That's the question. Should have brought my dang net. The blue. Drag him up the hill. Got him. Got a blue. Biting the crap out of my hand. Got us a blue cat, y'all. A dirty blue. Had to drag him up the hill. Heck yeah! Awesome. I knew this was going to be a good spot. Let's let him go. How am I going to let him go? back downhill, buddy. See ya. Yeah, you really need a net to fish here. And a towel. I'm gonna put a live bluegill on it. Just because we have one. Let's throw out this bluegill we just caught. Oh yeah, baby. Camera's still staying pretty much dry. I believe that was a body section. We just caught that one on. We're getting dink tapped constantly. There's a bunch of fish down there. Rainy day blue cat. Remind me to bring my net next time. I think the water's starting to come through. I don't want to tear up my camera. I should have brought an umbrella for this thing. I might come back out here tomorrow and I'm going to bring me an umbrella. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow too. I don't mind to get wet. I just don't want my camera to get wet. Them things ain't cheap. And I'm going to bring my net. Hey Steve-O, if you was bass fishing, you wouldn't need a net. Just saying. Well, Stevie Billy, we're not bass fishing. Because I like to catch fish that I need to have a net to catch. There's the first boat I've seen. Rainy day boat. Rainy day fishing. Alright, y'all, we probably gonna pack it up. I don't know if you can see that, but it's getting red all over us. Time to go. We'll try again tomorrow if it ain't pouring down rain. We got one blue cat on this rainy day. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Catfishing with Steve-O. Y'all have a good one.